I've added the autoload function. So we go into includes, open up functions.php, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see I defined a function called autoload, and it takes a string argument. Alright, here is how autoload works. When PHP is executing a script file, and it comes across a class name, which it doesn't have a class definition for, it looks for a function called __autoload, and passes it the name of the class that it cannot find a definition for. And this gives the script a chance to load the definition of that class before it tries to go back and execute the line that it was having trouble with. Now, the one thing that you need to also know is when you have a relative path in the function definition, that path, when that function is called, is going to be relative to the script that's being executed at that point in time. It will not be relative to the script that defines that function, which is the autoload function. So the programmer gets to code this autoload function. The only thing that's built into PHP is the ability to look for this function when it needs it, and passes it a class name that it cannot find a definition for. Of course, I will have to include functions.php in all the scripts if I want those scripts to have access to the autoload function. Later on, I'm going to update the code in this function to make it more robust, because right now, this will only work for PHP scripts that are in my help me directory inside of the web directory, because that's what this relative path is relative to. I believe I'll also be changing this path and making it an absolute path instead of a relative path. That's it.